Question 15. Be attentive from the following information. Prepare bank reconciliation statement of Margi. First, we are given with passbook, so we'll start with passbook. You can start with any of the books. Closing balance. Your answer will be other books. Closing balance. Got it, everyone? Now see here. Balance brought forward. In accountancy, BF slash stands for brought forward. Now, credit balance 4,000. What is cash books opening balance? 4,000. Put tick on balance brought forward in both the books. Yes, further. Maitri, Ahmedabad Electricity Company 3,200. Yes means tick. Put tick on Ahmedabad Electricity in both the books on opposite side. Oh, Mayank. Silence. Mayank is not there in passbook. Is it there in cash book? Yes, both the sides. Correct. Put tick on Mayank in both the books. Then Riya, Divyam. It is not there in cash book on credit side. Put cross on Divyam. Patel, dividend. It is not there in cash book, so put cross on dividend. Then Hardi, Amina. Tick on Amina, it is there in cash book credit side, put tick in both the books. Then Badra, bank commission 20. Why tick? Where is it there in cash book? 20 rupees of commission, cash book credit side, where do you find it? Lot of noise is coming. So don't put cross on bank commission, it is not there in cash book. Then Sudeep, Ahana. Cross, it is not there in cash book credit side, so put cross on Ahana. And Disha, balance carried forward 80. Starting point, mark it as STPT. Now see in cash book debit side, which all are unticked items? Gauram, Bhupendra, Chandni, Meera. Put cross on all of them. Bhupendra, Gauram, Chandni, Meera, all the 4 crosses. Credit side, Premal cross, Sales India cross, Kamal cross, Bank of India also cross. Okay? So, let us make the bank reconciliation statement. Yes, closing balance of cash book 1900, marked it as ANS answer. Now, why so much of discussions are going on? Himani, how will we start?
Bank balances.
What about which side?
80 on credit side.
Sit down. Now be attentive. Starting point is that 80 rupees closing balance of passbook. Now about debit right payments in passbook and about credit right receipts. Now tell me that balance remaining. Which side is more in passbook? Credit means receipts are more than payments. So is that 80 rupees bank balance or bank overdraft? Bank balance. Moreover, since credit is more than debit, it is which balance? Credit balance. Did you understand this? So we'll start with bank balance as per passbook and in credit column 80. It's a credit balance, so it will come in credit column, otherwise shortcut everything you record on opposite side. It's in debit side, so you write on credit side. Any doubt up till here? Now, which is the first cross in passbook? Dividend? Divyam. So raise your hand. What reason do you write for Divyam? We have studied it yesterday. Divyang 1600 debit side of passbook, what reason will be written? Megha?
The check issued to the bank but not yet presented for payment.
No. Pranjal?
Amount directly deposited by Divyang in our bank account.
Shivam?
Payment directly done.
Yes. Which side of passbook do you find Divyang's amount? Debit side. Which side is debit side? Payment. Means bank has directly paid the money on our behalf. So write down first reason. Amount paid by the bank to Divyang on our behalf. Patel, where will the record? No one should be speaking. We'll write on the bit side. What is the shortcut I told you for this? What is the shortcut I told you? It's in debit side of passbook, so we will write on credit side, opposite. 1600 is debited in passbook, but not credited in cash book, so credited in DRS. Do the answer. Next, cross is dividend. Nowadays, here in just now we have studied what reason will you write for dividend? Bhavya?
Dividend directly collected by them.
Correct. So now dividend directly collected by the bank. It's in credit side, and credit side is which side? So we have received the dividend. Means we'll say dividend directly collected by the bank. Okay, receipt side means we have collected the money. Now, Shubham, where will the record?
Opposite side. Debit side.
Yes, it's credited in passbook but not debited in cash book. So debit in DRS. Okay, opposite side, debit side. Then next cross is bank commission. So for bank commission, what reason will you write? Joshi? Stop discussions.
Directly paid by the bank.
Debited. Bank does not have to pay it to a third party. They directly take from our account, so directly debited by the bank. So now, all of you write down. Third reason is bank commission directly debited by the bank. And Akshay effect? Yes, effect? What are you telling me? I'm not asking you the effects of personal real nominal. Here, what effect will you write? So on credit side, opposite side. Cash comes in. Yes, silence everyone. So now, what did we study? Everything on opposite side. Here it's debited in passbook, so we have to credit in DRS. Bank commission 20 is debited in passbook but not credited in cash book, so credited in DRS. Then raise your hand. What reason will you write for Anna? Raise your hand. Just now we have done it. Riya?
Amount paid by bank to Anna.
Yes. First reason same. So write down amount paid by the bank to Ahana on our behalf. Who's talking in between? Now, it is on debit side, so we will write on credit side. It is debited in passbook but not credited in cash book, so credited in DRS. Next. Cash book debit side, we have Gaurang, Bhupendra and Chandni. So for these three, what reasons will we write? Someone else? Jamin?
Checks deposited but
Not yet collected by the bank. Correct it out. We have received check from Gaurang, Bhupendra and Chandni and Meera. So these four checks what we have received were deposited in the bank. They are not there in passbook, means they are not yet collected by the bank. So checks deposited but not yet collected by the bank. Four checks are there. Gaurang 1900. Then Bhupendra 2400. Again, who is talking? Then Chandni 3200. And lastly, Meera 600. Okay, 2, 5, 6, 69, 70, 75, 8100. Debited in cash book but not credited in passbook, so credited VRS. Any doubts with this? Are you all clear with it? And what reason will we write for payment side clauses? Check issued but not yet presented for payment. Write checks issued but not yet presented for payment. Now, Premal 700. Then Sales India 2000. Kamal 400. Bank of India 5000. Okay, so 2 plus 5, 7, 7, 8100. Now 8100 is credited in cash book but not debited in passbook, so debit in DRS. Everything will come on the opposite side. On which side total looks more? Credit side. First we'll do credit side total. So do it 80 plus 1600 plus 20, 1700, 2200, 10,300. All of you do the total of credit side. Do you get 10,300? Now 10,300 minus 8,400, so 1,900. Now see what did we mark as answer? Is it 1,900? Now is that bank balance or bank overdraft? Balance. In cash book, are receipts more than payments or payments more than receipts? Cash books we started with, pass books so you end with? Cash books debit balance means debit is more than credit. You can see in the cash book. Is debit side total more than credit or not? And in cash book debit is more than credit means receipts are more than payment. So this is bank balance. Bank balance as per cash book. Did all of you understand this? Any doubts in it? So presently we do this much, there is no point of any homework.